YouTube's new monetization policy is causing fear, especially for those creators that use AI to create content. A lot of channels are getting deleted, a lot of channels are getting flagged, a lot of channels are getting demonetized just because of this new monetization policy. But what if I told you that all of these problems can be fixed? Since YouTube announced these new monetization policies, I realized that a lot of channels are going to get affected. I realized that mostly the AI-based channels are going to get issues in the future. And now I had to look for a solution, because in my one-on-one classes where I teach YouTubers how to monetize, how to grow on YouTube, I have a lot of channels that actually use AI to create content. So I just thought that if these new monetization policies affect these channels, I myself am going to be affected too. So what I did is to sit down and look for a solution. I picked one of the channels in my one-on-one classes and did an experiment on that channel. And what I did helped that channel to get saved from these new updates. I've also told more people to use what I'm going to show you in this video, and now they are actually sure that their channels are not going to get affected anymore. Their channels are safe right now. Now, to make the story short, in this video I'm going to show you a solution that you're going to use to save your channel from the new updates. If your subscribers keep on reducing unexpectedly, if your watch hours keep on reducing abnormally, this solution that I'm going to show you in this video can help you too. So in this video I'm going to show you how I saved my students from getting demonetized, deleted, and flagged out of YouTube. And I'm also going to show you how you can save your own channel. If you're using AI and you're scared of the new updates, I'm going to show you how to save your channel. And if your watch hours keep on reducing, your subscribers keep on reducing, or if you have any issue about your YouTube channel, I'm going to show you how to solve that issue. Alright, without wasting any time, let's get started. If this is your first time to be my channel, my name is Ben and you're most welcome. On this channel I make videos about tools, tips, and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. So subscribe and turn on notifications to join the growth family. Let's grow together. Now, this is one of the channels from my one-on-one YouTube monetization class. And when you look at this channel, it uses AI to generate every content right here. As you see, all this content is AI generated. As you see, this channel has 20,000 subscribers. It is monetized, and this channel is from my one-on-one monetization program. Apart from this channel, I have more channels in the program. Even this channel is in the program where I teach creators to monetize on YouTube with one-on-one classes. And this channel also uses AI to create content. As you see, this is AI generated content, 100% AI generated content. As we all know, the new YouTube monetization update is against AI content. But as I'm speaking right now, I've discovered a way that you can use to check and see whether your channel is going to be affected, whether your channel is going to be flagged, demonetized, or removed from YouTube. And that's what I'm actually going to show you. I have more channels right here. There is also this channel called GenPay AI. This channel makes great content. They teach how to use different AI softwares to create different videos on YouTube. And as you see, this channel uses AI to create their content. But right now, as I'm speaking, I've actually secured this channel, and this channel will not be affected with the new YouTube monetization update, which is against channels that use AI to generate videos on YouTube. This channel too is a member of my one-on-one YouTube monetization program. These are not the only channels that use AI from my class. I have more channels that use AI from my class. As you see, this channel also use AI. These channels right now, as I'm speaking, they are safe from the new YouTube monetization update. With this trick that I'm going to show you, even if you use AI to generate content on your channel, the new YouTube monetization update will not affect your channel at all. Now, the first thing you're gonna do is to go to your YouTube studio. So once in the YouTube studio, you go straight to the question mark right here, which is help, okay? Now, once you click on help, this is what is going to load up. And now here you scroll deep down and you're gonna see contact us right here. And then you click on contact us. Now, it's going to load and they are going to ask you these questions. Tell us what we can help with. So in this bar, you're going to type here channel inquiry. Okay, you just type here channel inquiry and then next right away. Now, after clicking on next, they are going to ask you this question. Choose the best description of this issue, okay? So what you're going to do is to tap on others right here. You just tap on others, or you click on others, then you click next right here. And now this is the screen that you're going to see on step 2. As you see, this is step 2. So what you're going to do on step 2 is to scroll down a little bit and you're going to see next step, okay? So you click on next step right here. And now this is the step 3. 3. On step 3, what you're going to do, you click on chat. Don't click on email. Click on chat. 1 minute wait, okay? Alright, so you click on chat right here, and now you wait for it to load. And this is what is going to actually pop up. So on this screen, they want you to actually include your channel URL and then paste it right here where they require my channel URL. After that, what you do next is to scroll down. So right here, they are asking you, is your issue about a specific video? For this case, you have to check no, okay? After that, you scroll a little bit down, and they are going to actually ask you, when did the issue occur? So right here, you're going to put a date between 7th to 15th of July, okay? Because it is 7th when YouTube announced about this update, and it is 15th when this update is going to actually occur, okay? So what you're going to do is to put between 7th of July to 15th of July 2025. Now, as you see, I've put right here 7th of July 2025 to 15th of July 2025. And now after this, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see how can we help you. Here you have to describe your issue, okay? The description of your issue should be kind of this type. Hey, I run a channel that uses some AI tools like voiceovers and visuals. With the new monetization update starting July 15th, I'm worried my content might be seen as inauthentic or mass-produced. Can you please check if my channel is at risk or if it is still compliant with the YPP rules? I want to make sure I'm following all the guidelines. So this is what you have to actually write in this box where they ask you, how can we help you? You have to describe your issue, okay? All right, after that, you're gonna scroll down and now you're gonna tap right here on start chat, okay? This is where you're going to click or tap. Whether you use your computer or your phone, that's what you're going to do. And now, as you see, the chat right here is open and I'm connected to a live support specialist. This is a YouTube specialist that helps you about anything. So you can actually send them your channel link, tell them anything, and they're going to help you solve any problem. If your channel is not growing, if your subs keep on reducing, if your watch hours keep on reducing, if you have any issue about YouTube that you don't understand, go straight to the YouTube chat support, ask them about anything. They are going to help you to solve anything. Now, back to the point. If you use AI and you're worried about your channel being demonetized, your channel being flagged, or anything happening to your channel, this is what you have to do, and they are going to actually help you secure your channel. This trick has helped my subscribers, as I mentioned before, and right now as I'm speaking, I'm very sure that their channels are safe from the new YouTube monetization update. As you see, this is the chat that I had for this particular channel. This is a channel from my YouTube monetization class, and when you look at this chat, I had to actually chat with the support specialist, and they were able to actually solve the issue of this channel that is actually AI based. The conversation was actually kind of longer, but we were able to solve the issue, and you can actually use this same method to secure your channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Watch this video if you want to get views, watch hours, and subscribers. In this video, I teach a mysterious YouTube strategy that can actually help you get watch hours, get views, get subscribers, and grow your YouTube channel for success. So check out this video because this strategy is helping a lot of people, and everyone that has used this strategy, they are very, very happy after using the strategy. Alright, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.